This video I will explain basic image editing. We will see how to use Paint, Canva and Photoshop Lite. First we will see how to use Paint, which is a built-in app in Windows operating system. It has basic tools like pencil, brush, eraser, text, shapes, resize and crop. We will see how to use this. Next we will see how to use Canva, which is an online free tool. You have to go to Canva website, then you have to sign up or log in, then choose a design type, which is what you want to create, like a poster, Instagram post or custom size. Then you have to upload your image from your computer, then you can edit the image. You can drag image onto the canvas, use filters to change the color type. You can use crop button to cut parts of the image. You can use text to add words. You can use elements to add shapes, lines and stickers. Then you can download your image. We will see how to do this. Next, we will see how to use Photoshop Lite. Step 1 is install Photoshop Lite from App Store or Google Play Store. Then you can open the image from your phone or device. Then use editing tools to edit the image. Use crop to cut the image to the size you want. Use rotate to turn the image around. Use adjust to change brightness, contrast and saturation. Use filters to add special effects. Use text to add words and choose font, size and color. Then you can remove blemishes. You can tap on marks or spots to clean them up. Then you can save or share. Now we will see some of the tips. Start with Paint if you are using computer and want basic edits. Try Canva for creative and stylish designs with text and templates. Use Photoshop Lite for more control and photo touch-ups on mobile or computer.